Hey there planners, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi and we have an unboxing today. This is from Simply Gilded. This is the new subscription box for this month. This is for what? For August or for July? You guys, I don't even know. I'm so new to their boxes, I don't even know. Let me see. This is called Free Range and let me open it up. Okay, so I'm gonna do it this way. And if you don't want to see what the mystery item, I'll let you know when I'm gonna open it, okay? So you don't have to worry about that. All right, so now this collection right here, so we get a journaling card. Let me see how I'm gonna open this. Okay, so you have a list of things that come in the box, but I'm not gonna follow that. All right, so we have a clip here to decorate our folios, right? All right, so this one is, that's cute. Okay, we'll see how it's gonna look on the planners. Oh, you know what? I'm not gonna open this. Is this dotted? Let me see. This is it doesn't say. I don't want to open it because I might not use it, and if I don't use it, I can always give it away, right? So we'll just leave it like that. So this is a notebook. I don't know if it's dotted line or what is it. Now let's see here. Okay, so we have a oh, paper pad. This is the large paper pad. And I can, oh, this is pretty. So this could be used for, oh, it's this way. Yeah, I had it upside down. Okay, so the paper is thinner. I don't know if this can go in my A5 agenda. Probably. So it has some gold foil, and you have 9 boxes and then a rectangular box here. You can put your list here for the week. You can do like a daily square here for every day of the week, and then you can have extras here. Yeah, there's a lot of possibilities here. So now let's see here. This is, oh, the sticker kit. Okay, let me open. Oh, this is so pretty. Okay, to be honest with you, when I saw the previews of this box, I was not too excited. I was not, I knew it was gonna be fall, you know, fall colors already because we are in August already. But here in my city, it's extremely hot still, in the 100 something. So I thought I was not gonna like it. You know, I was not too excited about it. So, but now that I see it in person, they're really cute. Okay, so we have the icon sheet here. We have, this is like a mauve or a yeah, mauve or taupe. Yeah, more of a taupe background, and you have the days of the week. You also have a small sheet with boxes and icons. Oh, this is beautiful. You have the bows here, and you have 2 sheets of stickers. You have let me see, 3 weeks with days of the week, boxes, checklist. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, this is prettier than I thought it was gonna be, to be honest. When I saw all the brown, I didn't think I was gonna like it, but it has a lot of pink, and the gold goes really well with this too. Okay, that's cute. And this blue with the brown and the pink looks really nice too. All right, so that's pretty. And now I'm gonna show you. This is the vegan leather pad folio. And it looks like real leather. Oh, that's pretty inside too. Oh, that's nice. That's a nice combination, actually. I thought it was gonna look kind of like 70s, you know, but it's not. It's not. It's oh, that's pretty. Okay, let's add the this right here, the paper pad. You have a lot of room here, definitely. And the inside has gold foil too. It has the little window here. Oh, this is pretty. I wonder if I'm gonna be able to use this with any of my Happy Planner planners. Let me see. I was working on cleaning my space earlier today, and this is the Happy Planner Skinny Classic, this size right here. Where is the cover? I just want to see if it's gonna fit. Oh, I don't know where the cover is, you guys, but it looks just like this. I think it's gonna fit. I just want to test it out real quick. I'm sorry, but let's see. Oh, you know what? Probably not. Oh, that's too bad. Let me see. Let's pretend like we have the planner here. What if we just put it here? Oh, that's gonna work. But there's no way to hold it. All right, I'm gonna find a way to use it. Okay, so that's gonna be in another video, okay? There you go. That's pretty. The colors are really nice. And this for fall and winter, I think even for winter, it's gonna be really nice. We have the washi here. All right. So this pen right here looks very, very similar to the one. Oh, but this one has a little flower on the bottom. Okay, this is the newest one I got. It came with my grab bag. I had 2 pens in there. And look at this one. Very similar. This one's silver and this is gold. That's pretty. All right, so we have the pen. We also have some vintage die cuts that I'm gonna be able to use in my daily agenda. Oh, those are pretty. Just 3. Okay, so cute. And we have the journaling card. There you go. It's kind of damaged, this one. And now let's open the washi. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna open all the washi. Maybe we'll do that separately. But let me just show you. I have this roll right here. Oh, this is the days of the week. And some other, like the moon with the days of the week. We have, oh, this is the 5mm, I think. 4 different washi rolls here. We have, this is like the landscape or sunset, something like that. Oh, this one matches this one right here. Oh no, this is the landscape. Okay, so this one is just, it's almost like sand, you know, and this is the landscape. You can see the eagle and the lake, the mountains, the flowers. Okay, so those look very, very similar. And this one, it's a blue flower and maybe copper or rose gold foil. All right, so we got how many rolls? Let's see. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, we got 11 rolls of washi here. They come with the set. Actually, this right here is the extra washi. So if you didn't get the extra, this is what you get. Oops, I'm trying, you guys. There you go. And this is the extra washi set. Okay, now if you don't want to see the mystery item, I'm gonna say goodbye to you now. And this is the new box from Simply Gilded. Oh, let me add the little charm here. And I hope that you liked it. If you're waiting for your box and you don't want to see the mystery item, I'll see you next video. Okay, so now the mystery item is this right here, which is a, I'm guessing this is a dashboard, correct? It has the same design as the journaling card, and it has the same flower as this, and I think it has flowers here too, right? Let me see. Yeah. So this is now I don't know what is this for. Let's see. Does it fit here? Well, it fits there. I don't think it's meant to be there. Let's see. All right, so I need to see other planners and see what they're gonna do with this. I'm thinking I can use it in my agenda and just punch it and use it as a dashboard, right? That would work. Okay, so that is the mystery item, and there's the box. I'm happy with this. This one is the only one that is kind of damaged, but it's fine. I don't use that. Oh yeah, I forgot it has the little notebook too. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.